What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I will show you the stellar XLM price prediction and the next target of the XLM coin friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about cryptocurrency markets friends. Let's start the video. As you can see here, first of all we look the price of the stellar XLM. What's the current price of XLM coin at this time friends? So the current price of XLM is about 0.472308 USD dollar is the current price of XLM. And if we look the change occur in XLM at this time, so the change is about last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 7 day change is negative, continuously fast occur in XLM from the previous last 7 days, last 1 day friends. If we look the market rank of the XLM, so the market rank is about 15 as a market rank of XLM friends. Now let's see for more details the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the currently change for the XLM coin? As you can see here, I have a good news for on XLM coin holders. As you can see here, now the change is negative 0.02%, but the good news is that as you can see here, at this time now XLM coin start jumping upwards. So the big pump of the XLM coin starts now friends, so enjoy it. Soon the change has become in positive. The high price of XLM is about 0.4796 USD dollar. As you can see here, they are not fast down very bad. As you can see here, that is a high price, and now the current price is 0.4764. So they are not a very high fast occurs in the XLM in the last 1 hour friends. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes in the XLM and try to detect the next target of XLM coin friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction of the XLM, the change occurred in the XLM in the last 1 day is about negative 13.98% change occur in the XLM in the last 1 day, and the high price is about 0.555 USD dollar is the high price of XLM in the last 1 day friends. Now let's suppose let's start the technical analysis sum and try to detect the next target of XLM coin friends. As you can see here friends, let's suppose that is our resistance level, let's suppose that is a support level, and now that is our resistance level of the XLM coin friends. As you can see here, if they continue this kind of change, take a jump, falls down, and they again take a jump at this time and this time friends. Now they again falls down, and now if we look at this time, so the currently at this time they again take a jump, they're trying to move upward. So I think they move small, gradually move upward and take a high jump friends. So be ready for a big jump. Steiner accident, be ready for a big jump. What's your opinion about accident? I think there is a 70% chances to they move upward and 30% chances to they falls down. What's your opinion about accident? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about accident coin.